Anyway, we left the Hot Springs Liard, and we came up here at Watson Lake. They had the signpost forest and took some video, and then it was getting later, so we stayed up here. We boondocked along the river at the upper Liard village area. Okay, we're parked in the boondocking by a river, and we had time to rest, and so I'm making some goodies for Mark. The first thing I made, I'm getting out of the oven, is this pumpkin bread chocolate chip. She's been waiting to get done.
Smells good.
So I'll cut this up and have him try this. The other thing I'm making is like a blueberry breakfast, I don't know, crunch bar. I put all the ingredients in here. I'm going to mix them up, make a crust, and it has seeds and oats and all kinds of stuff in it.
What is it?
It's oats, honey, coconut oil, banana, vanilla, protein whey, and that's all I can remember. Oh, and some sliced almonds.
Holy shit, some of the Grand Design bumper poles in Haynes Junction and the frame broke. A brand new one. Well, find yourself a welder. An RV anywhere is going to be a risky situation.
That's another reason why I like those truck campers.
Yeah, no shit. You should have running gear on it. All you have to worry about is the truck. If an RV can fall down, we'll make it. No, the truck.
Okay, I finished the blueberry bars. They came out really good, and I tested it. It's really tasty. So Mark has a few little snacks for the drive. I made the pumpkin chocolate chip, which he liked and already tested, and then now I got the blueberry crunchy stuff. It's really good. So we'll have some snacks tomorrow in the car. Boondocking spot for the night. Right next to the river. It's far enough away where the highway noise really didn't, I don't even think we heard it. It's right over there. I just pulled by these bridges, and then they have these areas here. So we found this on iOverlander. It was really nice. Got some baking done. It was pretty good. He's getting the truck warmed up right now. Got some pretty flowers here. It's nice. And it was free. So, well, he's got the truck going, so I'll take onward and onward.